Hi all, let's prepare garlic rice. This is just a 5-minute recipe. Do watch it. Hi all, let's prepare garlic rice. Welcome to Simple Living, Simple Cooking. So you have rice which is remaining of previous night, or you can also prepare fresh rice to prepare this garlic rice. So let's begin. Take a pan, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil here. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splatters, add few chana dal. You can avoid this if you don't want to add chana dal. Just stir and fry it for 1 minute or until it is goldenish color. Now you can add some crushed garlic. So it's about 20 garlics here. Cook it for some time by stirring. Add curry leaves. Add some half teaspoon of turmeric powder or very small quantity is sufficient. Add a pinch of asafoetida hing. Add half teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Make sure that the garlic is cooked well. Keep stirring so that it won't get charred. When the garlic is cooked completely, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix it well. At this point of the time, add rice which is remaining from previous night, or if you have freshly prepared, just add this. Mix everything well. The garlic rice is ready to serve. Just garnish with the coriander leaves. You can prepare this in just 5 minutes when the rice is ready. So do prepare it when you have other work and you have to finish the cooking fast, and let me know if you have liked it. Do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.